everyone, welcome back to my channel Moon's Vanity. I hope everyone is doing really great. So in today's video I'm going to share beginners must have face makeup brushes. Yes, so I'm starting this beginners makeup series where I'll be sharing eye makeup brushes, beginners friendly eye makeup, beginners friendly face makeup, so everything I'll be sharing for beginners. Today's video I'll be sharing a must have beginners friendly face makeup brushes. I know makeup brushes are really a little bit of confusing because there are a lot of options available in the market and often we get confused of what to buy, what not to buy. So I'm going to guide you what you can buy to create a flawless base. There is no need to buy a lot of brushes, so I'll be only sharing the brushes that are absolutely necessary to create a flawless base. So if you're interested and want to know what are the brushes that I'm going to talk about, then please continue watching this video till the end. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube, and it's completely free. Without much blabbering, let's get straight into the video. So these are the brushes that I'm going to talk about. I'll be talking about each of them and step by step of how you can do your makeup. If you guys are following me from a long time and have seen all my makeup tutorials, then you must know that I have been using these brushes from a long time and I have used this many times. I have washed this so many times, but these are intact and I'm so grateful for these brushes. So without much blabbering, let's get started with this video. So the first brush that I'm going to talk about is this PAC 201 brush. This is a concealer brush and this brush is absolutely perfect for using on your concealer, or if you want to use the color corrector before using your makeup. So this is the perfect brush to go for, and I think you guys already know that PAC brushes are really good quality brushes. Be mentioning the prices of each of the brushes somewhere on the screen, and also I'll be giving the links to buy each of the brushes in the description box, so do check it out guys. So this is a nice brush if you are looking for a good concealer brush, so I will definitely recommend this PAC 219 concealer brush. Next brush that I'm going to talk about is a foundation brush. We know foundation brush is really important guys to make your foundation look flawless and to make your base looks really great, because if your base is not right, then whatever makeup you do, whatever you do, that will not be worth it. So a good foundation brush is really important. So for a foundation brush, I have picked up this PAC 265 brush. This is a flat kabuki brush, very soft. I have used this brush many times and I have also washed it many times, but this is intact and I have not seen any kind of shading of this brush. So it's a really nice brush. If you're looking for a good foundation brush, you can definitely go for this one. Another option that I want to tell you about your blending your bases, and that is a makeup sponge. And for this makeup sponge I have this Forever 21 makeup sponge. Some of the other makeup sponges that I can recommend is from PAC, I think from ProArt. This is the kind of makeup sponge that I have bought from Forever 21. This has a sharp edge which helps me to create this perfect contouring. So I really like this one. Next brush that I'm going to talk about is a powder brush. Now I have two kind of powder brushes. Are the brushes that I bought from Amazon. This is a small kind of a kabuki brush, a small kind of a fluffy powder brush, and this is great for applying powder just under your eyes or for baking. The powder brush that I'm going to talk about is this one. This powder brush I have bought from Amazon, and this is a good quality, a big fluffy powder brush, and this is really cheap, guys. I think I have bought it within like 250 or something. If I get the link, I'll be definitely linking down in the description box, so you can check that out. And this is a nice brush if you want to apply the powder on all over your face, and this is a nice brush to go for. Next brush that I'm going to talk about is the contouring brush. There are a lot of variants of contouring brush, so often we get confused of what to buy, what not to buy. This is the contouring brush from PAC. So this is PAC 305. This is a very nice contouring brush. I have used like many contouring brush earlier, but this one is so good, and I really like to apply my contouring with this brush. So this is I would definitely recommend this brush if you want to go for a good contouring brush. I want to talk about another contouring brush. This is a flat top contouring brush. This brush is particularly necessary if you want to contour your nose with it. So this is a nice brush from Amazon, and this is also very cheap. I think 200 rupees or something like that. So if you want, you can definitely go for this one. This kind of brushes are great to apply your blush, and because this is very soft and this actually glides on your cheeks really well. So got this brush from Amazon as well. This is a good brush for blush. The last brush that is for your highlighting. So this is a fan brush that I got from Vega. This is a really nice fan brush. It was also not very expensive or something. So this is a fan brush that you can use to apply your highlighter on your cheeks, on the high points. These are the brushes that I absolutely love using, and I would definitely recommend you guys to use this kind of brushes. That's it from today's video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also share your valuable comments and video suggestions in the comment section. I would love to read that. So I'll be coming up with a new video very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.